You know what? I'm done. I just can't no more. People are just something else. I can't trust the soul nowadays. People are just, you just feel like, yeah, you feel that way. And you have every reason to feel that way. Why? Because we live in a very broken society where trust is like obsolete. It's not even there anymore. I understand that. I understand the pain. But should you just resolve and throw your hands up and say, well, there's no more trust at all? No, maybe you could be that person. Next time, give it time. Let someone out. Do some research. Find out how that person treated someone else and other people. Then you can start a slow process to trusting. Start with one person. It's possible.